Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver, is more than just a roofing company near Central Park, Denver, Colorado. We're your neighbors dedicated to protecting your home. Your peace of mind is our top priority, and we bring unmatched care to every project. Whether your roof needs a complete replacement or a quick fix, we're here to help. We will treat your home like our own, ensuring quality and reliability every step of the way. If all you need is a roof repair, we'll be ready to make it right, no matter how urgent. From emergency repairs to tarping fixes, we'll safeguard your home from the elements until the job is done perfectly. We know Colorado's unpredictable weather can be overwhelming, but you don't have to face it alone. Let us ease your worries with fast, professional service that keeps your home secure and your family safe. Our skilled team works precisely, using top-tier materials to deliver results that stand the test of time. Every nail, every shingle, every detail is handled with the care your home deserves. When storms strike, we'll be there for you, ready to repair, restore, and rebuild. Trust us to turn chaos into comfort and leave your roof better than ever. We're proud to serve Denver homeowners with honesty, integrity, and a personal touch. Our commitment is more than just a job. It's a promise to protect what matters most to you. Reach out today at 970-545-0020 or visit us at sites.google.com/view/roofing-near-central-park-co. Let's start your journey to a more substantial, safer home together. Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver. Protecting homes, restoring dreams, one roof at a time.